So here's how to check Roblox ban history. It's a quite simple thing. So first of all, you need to open up the Roblox on your Android device or iOS device. Then simply go with the more option onto the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on that. And then from here onto the settings, you will find out this option, help and security. Simply tap on the help and security and then go with the violations and appeals. Tap on that once again, and then from here you will find out that if you have any ban history or previously you got banned, then it will show up right here into this section. But it is clear for me because I didn't get any ban from the Roblox. So if you just get a ban and you now want to get the support or just want to appeal for your ban, then you can simply tap on the support section right over here. Simply tap on the support, and then you need to write down your username, first name, email ID, and then the issue that you are facing, and give them a description of your issue. All right, so then simply tap on the continue button, and there you go. So that's how you can check Roblox ban history. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.